Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am the crafting junkie, and today we are going to be making this crocheted heart. I made this as a part of another project, and I do have another video for this if you want to watch how to make the whole project. The envelope is a gift card sized envelope that you can crochet. You can do this in a very short amount of time, and I'll link that video in the description in case you want to make the envelope as well. So to begin the crochet heart, you have to make the magic ring or magic circle. You may have heard it called either one. Basically, take your yarn over your 3 fingers like this, wrap it around, and bring it all the way around to the top of your fingers. And you're going to pinch the tail with your pinky finger if you can. And you want to make sure that yarn is kind of separated. You want this yarn to go over the back of your knuckles above the string you started with. From there, you're going to go under like this, grab the yarn above it, pull it back through and twist it. Then you just want to reach your hook back up to that yarn that's above your other piece of yarn, the one that's on the higher side of your fingers. Loop over or yarn over and pull that through the loop as if you were making a chain. You have now created a magic ring, magic circle. Now from this point, you want to keep your circle pretty tight. It will get loose as you're trying to learn how to do this, and it just takes practice. It's not going to hurt anything if it becomes loose because you will be able to tighten it back up. So the first thing we do is chain 3 to start this heart. So first you need to make 3 triple crochets, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to yarn over your hook twice, go inside of the magic circle, pull up a loop. You're going to yarn over again and pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 more loops, yarn over again, and pull through the final 2 loops. So now we have to do that 2 more times. So yarn over twice, go through the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. That is your second triple crochet. Now let's create that last triple crochet. Yarn over twice, go through the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. You have your 3 triple crochets. The next thing we need to do is make 3 double crochets. You will yarn over once and then go through the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, and that is your double crochet. And you have to make 3 of those. So let's do this again. Yarn over, go through the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the final 2 loops. And now for the third one, yarn over, go through the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the final 2 loops. Okay, so now you're just going to chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. Do not go through the magic ring here. And now you're going to do a triple crochet inside the ring. Again, yarn over twice, go through the magic ring, grab up a loop, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through the final 2 loops. And then you're going to chain again, not going through the circle. You're just going to make a chain. So you're going to make 3 double crochets. It is yarn over once, go through the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through the last 2, repeat 2 more. Then you're going to do the triple crochets, 3 of those. So it is yarn over twice, go through the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. And you will do 2 more of that. So now the next step is to chain 3. So now you are going to slip stitch. Once you've created that slip stitch, you are going to chain 1 and then tie that off and then tighten up your magic ring to pull your heart together. I recommend leaving a couple of tails here. So when you're starting, you want a sort of a long tail so that you have something to use to tie this on with. If you do not want to use it that way and you want to sew this on, you can weave this back in. Please consider subscribing because it helps me grow this channel. Consider liking and clicking that bell icon. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.